compact for home GYM multi-use design gives you large variety of workout options in tight spaces. Benefits of a weight room in your living room. Imported. This item benefits from an extended 90-day return window. Universal designed Viking landmine handle, multi-grip with wide space handles, fit to Olympic barbell, solid steel construction, safety lock knob. Gauge steel construction T-bar row platform axle, pivot point dual bronze oil-lite bushings for more durability with full 360-degree rotating features. Allows multiple workouts, haft kneeling shoulder press, lateral lunge, landmine press, overhead squat, to target muscle gains chest, back, shoulder, tricep. Fit 2-inch Olympic barbell, designed with 7 long tube, Yes4All Landmine Attachment is compatible with 2 Olympic barbell. Simply slide your barbell over the handle, then tighten the knob for a secure workout. Easy to install, can be attached to 2/2.3 power rack, mounted to floor or wall. Come with lock knob to fit the rack and barbell. 1-year war, place your order now. Our Yes4All Viking Press Landmine Handle Attachment comes with 30-day return and 1-year war. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. Seems I'm one of the rare people that uses standard size plates and barbells. This allows me to use the barbells I already have, but also has an Olympic fitting in case I do get an Olympic barbell. Sturdy piece of equipment, I've been using it for over a year now, and it still looks new. Highly recommend.